We are at 1155 Tektite Street. We are in Henderson. This is an amazing townhouse and it does have a large loft.
This townhome is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with 1,800 square feet living space.
So we're gonna go ahead and take you right inside. This property is in Henderson, Nevada. It is right by the hospital. That's a new hospital as well. And you are here next to restaurants and shopping.
This home is centrally located inside of the community. It's right outside of the park, and this community has an HOA of $177 a month.
What I love about this townhouse, it looks similar to a house. It does have the 3 bedrooms, it has the large loft, and it has the 2-car garage.
This townhome has the upgraded cabinets, quartz countertop, and upgraded flooring as well.
This townhouse is very new. It's 2023. The HOA does include the pet park, and the barbecue area. Let's recap. This property has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a loft, and a 2-car garage. So if you want to know more about this house or any Las Vegas or Henderson property, just reach out to us. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.